How to edit Instagram bio. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit profile option you see there. Further, tap on the bio text box and you will then be able to change your bio. So go ahead and make the required changes. Make sure that there are word limits while adding your bio, so make sure of that. Once you are done making the changes for your bio, tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and with this, your bio will be changed. So this is how you can edit bio on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.